CAPI simply means sending data via server side. However, many businesses have not utilized this because CAPI needs developer assistant to set up. But with Customer Labs, you can implement CAPI under 60 minutes with no tech support. When it comes to events, there are two types. One is your default events, another one is your custom events. Default events can be created with the help of no-code event tracker. All you have to do is record this action simply by the pick and drop no-code tracker. So we have almost every pre-made events just set up, and this can be customized as well. Or else you can create custom events like offline conversions, purchased, etc. with the help of our easy workflow setup. Once you have decided on your events, all the events that you have created, may either it may be default or the custom, will appear in the events manager. Once all the events are configured, just authenticate your Facebook account with Customer Labs account. Once that is done, you can just send all your custom and your default events via server side by just turning on this toggle. You can customize this however way you want, and CAPI is implemented on your Facebook account. Just like I have showed you, CAPI can be implemented for your business under 60 minutes. Start your 14 days free trial today, or if you have any doubts, just book a demo with us. We are happy to help you.